Here's an overview of BodyHub in 10 paragraphs. Introduction. BodyHub is a fitness and wellness platform that offers a wide range of exercises, workouts, and health-related content. Mission. BodyHub aims to provide individuals with the tools and resources needed to achieve their fitness goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Features. The platform features a vast library of exercises and workouts, including strength training, cardio, yoga, and more. Customizable workouts. BodyHub allows users to create customized workout plans tailored to their specific fitness goals and needs. Nutrition planning. The platform also offers nutrition planning tools, providing users with personalized meal plans and healthy recipes. Community support. BodyHub has a supportive community of users who can connect, share progress, and motivate one another. Expert guidance. The platform is guided by certified fitness professionals and health experts who provide valuable insights and advice. Progress tracking. BodyHub allows users to track their progress, set reminders, and receive notifications to help them stay on track. Accessibility. The platform is accessible on both desktop and mobile devices, making it easy to use anywhere, anytime.